Welcome to another J.U.R. training video. This video is going to concentrate on the advantages of the Hosemaster quick clamp flex connector. These are used in gas stations. Gas stations use these because underneath these gasoline dispensers, if they get hit by a car, which happens more often than you would think, there's a shear valve. Well, if that shear valve doesn't shear and that stress is going back to that pipe under the ground, boom, the pipe cracks and now we have a major fire or explosion. Hosemaster's been in business for many, many years. They are located, their manufacturing facility is in Cleveland, Ohio. And today we're talking about the quick clamp. So the quick clamp is just this is actually a sanitary flange fitting. It's been in the industry, used in plumbing applications for, I would say hundreds of years, but for a long time. And it was introduced in the petroleum industry probably 20 some years ago, became very popular. There's only one flaw that we have to be aware of. This is a two-sided gasket. This gasket fits into that ring there, and it fits into that ring there, like such. It forms an unbelievably tight seal because of this taper in the fitting, the clamp that pulls them together. And the clamp, by the way, should never be used to pull the two fittings together. The clamp is also tapered. So when I put these parts together and I put the clamp on, it's much easier if one of them is stable. But if you put the clamp, okay, it's not that hard, come on. So I'm going to put the clamp on here. Trying to hold too many parts. All right, so the clamp, this is not that hard. So there we go. Clamp's in the wrong spot. So here we go. The clamp is going to be in the right spot, right time. Here we go. We're going to cut a lot of video out here, I think. Here we go. Clamp. There we go. Clamp, clamp, that. Pull this over. Now, the biggest problem with this clamp, let's call it the compression clamp. It's a compression seal. It doesn't mean tighten this until these two parts come together. If you do that, you will totally screw up that gasket and you'll get a leak. So the main thing to learn, easy to put together, I can't turn these two parts at all, and just hand turn it. Don't put a screwdriver in here and try to bring these together. If you do, it will leak.